Hi, good evening, everyone. I've been getting lots of questions in regards to oil price volatility and the oil markets and the impact on our economy, so let me address that with everyone this evening. It's been a tough 48 hours for my hometown of Houston, and the negative oil prices will have a severe and significant impact on our economy as well as the energy markets, not only for the short term, but for the long term as well. However, I've lived in Houston for nearly 40 years, and we are adaptive and resilient, and we will make it through this. 15 years ago, I participated in the writing of a business plan for a new venture capital firm based entirely on Houston's economy. The foresight of our team at the time was premised on the fact that Houston is one of the world's largest research and development centers and hubs. Two industries rested at the backbone of this thesis: medicine and energy. And when 2008 happened, the core value of these technologies and the companies that owned them, despite the industrial applications that they may have, remain valid and valuable. And today this firm continues to thrive. 5 years ago, I participated in the restructuring of an energy company on behalf of private equity investors during the last price downturn. We leveraged legal and mechanics that we advised on and implemented at the onset of the investment to shepherd assets through a bankruptcy while retaining critical assets, management, and operations, as well as satisfying key vendors and fulfilling customer contracts during the restructuring period, thereby creating shareholder value in excess of the possible losses of the investment, as well as the incremental capital infusion during the restructuring period. These objectives were achieved through adaptation, selling into new markets, expanding customer services, repurposing technology, repurposing products, and technology and knowledge transfer joint ventures. We strategize with customers and the entire market to identify limitations and define solutions. And as an equipment provider, we introduce customers in upstream oil and gas to hedging advisors, as well as physical traders, and downstream customers to producers and financing sources. This created value throughout the company's supply chain and led to a successful turnaround. My point is this: it is easier to be agile and adaptive than it is to accurately try to predict the future. And technology and human capital are your best assets during this transformative period. I had absolute confidence in this perspective 15 years ago, and now more than ever, I bring the same conviction to what I do for our clients and investors. My partners and I are prepared to work with clients and investors to develop strategies and tactical plans around the underlying thesis of adaptation and execution. We are proud to say that we are working with clients and investors to do so now, particularly those client companies who are directly addressing elements of the COVID-19 crisis, from vaccine development to medical equipment supply and financing, to healthcare operations and management, and I'm proud to say all of these clients are in Houston. So stay strong, Houston, and to my friends in the oil and gas industry, our team is here to help you, to strategize with you on restructuring, asset valuation, and commercial optimization, to make sure that you're creating the best solutions for all of your stakeholders, and we look forward to addressing any questions that you may have. Thank you and have a good night. And if you should have any questions, please email them to info@meridiancircle.com. Thanks so much.